Know yourself first. Know everything about you. If it's spiritual, I don't know how you would treat it. If it's spiritual management or whatnot, know yourself inside out. What you need, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. Second, know what works. It could be with the hiring manager, it could be the job, it could be the industry, it could be the company. Know it. And when I say know it, you should do your market research. You're expected to do that. The third thing would be please enjoy this journey. You're not going to do this again, and hopefully you don't want to do this again, right? Every few years. So enjoy this journey because it's only the best thing that's going to come out, nothing else. It's only positivity that's going to come out. So make sure you enjoy this journey, and yeah, don't be hard on yourself.
It all boils down to being positive across. See, when you have your job search, there'll be days where you'll feel terrible, you'll be dejected, you'll be frustrated. But please ensure you guys stay positive. And I know this is it's very easy to say it and it's very difficult to actually implement it. I've gone through that. I know how my initial 3 to 3.5 months passed. Reaching out to people when people would not respond, you take an interview and it does not work very well, it can be very frustrating. But look at it as a process. See, all of us, when we've reached here, we have good resumes. We all have a skill set that we bring to the table. It is just about getting the correct fit. Now, there are some people who actually got a job in maybe a week. Some people have taken 2 weeks. Some people have taken a month. But it does not mean that, say, if somebody has got a job within a week, when you hear it, it often tends to hit you hard in the heart that, oh, this person came here after me, but he's already got a job. And I've been here for maybe 2 months and I've not got it. But it happens. Now, see, it's not about getting a job. Say, if somebody just wants a survival job, you can get it in a week. But that might not really make you happy. So everybody has their own timeline, everybody has their own goals, everybody has their own focus. There are some occupations which take longer to get a break, and some, of course, just get a break quicker. So yes, you all are fighting your own battle. Believe in yourself, be positive, and yes, you will get what you all want. So just believe in yourself, and you guys have to get it. It's just a matter of time. Unfortunately, it's COVID. But yeah, this phase will pass. You guys have to just be patient, just hang in. And yeah, you guys will get it. All the best to each one of you.
Tough times never last, tough people do. And this is one of the toughest journey that you all and even we all have begin at some point of time in our life. Most of us have been qualified from our last country, from where we come from, or the graduation, whatever we have done till now. So everyone has their own time, and time is the only factor that we need to consider. So I would say that please be consistent and persistent in doing the job. Second thing is attitude is everything. Be positive, stay positive, as all the mentors always believe. And Meena is one of the best example to see that attitude. That be positive, have a smile, show the positive gestures, show your enthusiasm for the role that you are applying. Never think job search as a I mean, don't think for the end result. As I think Vinay said rightly, enjoy the journey. So you need to enjoy and show your USP wherever you go. That is, we say in resume, I always use this word USP, that is unique selling proposition. So you are all unique, we are all unique. We all have our own specialities, our own strengths. That's what also mentioned by Vinay, I think, strength. So do your own SWOT, find out what best suits you, and never ever try to think or overthink, because sometimes when we overanalyze, we are also getting in trouble. So always analyze and energize yourself, get ready and go ahead. And it's always matter of time. Soon or late, you will be getting a job. Job is not only the one, your passion is also to be considered at the same time. So follow your passion, and that is called follow your heart. Whatever it says, it's correct. Yes. It's not correct. Yes. Because mind and fight always fights. Mind says, yes, go for this job, basic job, just start. Heart says, no, wait, we will get it. So sometimes you need to compromise between, but the end is always good. And do not just sit down and just apply. Always ask. If you ask, you get something. and that something may be no. If it's no, I always say no is next opportunity.